Today I use such trend indicators as alligator, fractal, and CCI. We will open deals in the direction of the trend, observe movement corrections as well as local lows and highs. So let's start move mode. In this example, we will open for promotion, highlighting the working area to clearly show all the signals that our indicators gave us. As we can see here, there was a price rollback at the time of the opening of the transaction. Approximately in this range, there will be an update of the local minimum. As a result, the chart will go up. We also see that the guidelines of the alligator and the CCI have changed their direction. There was also a price correction before that, and after that our chart will just went down. If we consider the previous movement of the graph, we can notice several more corrections. For example, this. As soon as the local minimum is updated in our situation, a red arrow will appear from the fractal indicator, and 3, 2, 1, and the deal closed in plus, and we have earned $189. And let's move on to the next currency pair. And here I immediately open a deal to increase the price and consider this fragment. Now we need borders. As you can see, our CCI indicator has its own limits, and our schedule goes beyond these boundaries. This is a bright signal that our chart will change its direction to the opposite. That is, in this case, it will go up. Also, now the alligator guides while they are looking down, but very soon they will turn around. And before our entry into the transaction, the situation was similar. This is where the local minimum was updated, after which the chart went up. And now there is about the same situation. There will be an update of the local minimum, after which the chart will go up. And the exact same red indicator will appear as here. This is a good signal that is necessary to open a deal to increase the price. While we have a little time, we can sort out the previous cases. Here too, it's clear that there was a price correction, like just here, and the deal is closed and $192 for our closed deal. So let's look at another case. Here I think it's also necessary to open for an increase. Let's take a closer look at this situation. It's hard to notice here specifically, but the graph is at least a little bit, but it already goes beyond the indicator. This again gives us a signal of its imminent price increase. The alligator hasn't turned around yet, but it won't be for long. That is the alligator, and the CCI will change their direction and the chart will go up. This is where the local minimum will be updated. After that, the chart will go up. Everything is very, very simple. I completely forgot that there was also a price correction earlier. After the price correction, there was a pullback and our chart fell. After this movement, the chart will start to change direction and go up. So let me highlight the borders again for clarity. You may notice that during this period the chart went beyond the indicator, and after that the chart had a strong downward movement. So it works both here and in other situations. And we earned $179 on this example. But now I want to distract you from watching this video and get new knowledges, of course, because I announce a new recruitment of new members to my VIP groups, and where you can find a lot of private strategies, where you can find my personal strategy to earn money. And if you're still not my member, just subscribe to my Telegram channel and write me a private message. So why are you waiting for miracles or something like this? Just write me and start changing your life right now. And now I decided to focus on this currency pair, and I'm opening it up again for a price increase. And let me tell you more about it. Let's highlight the boundaries again for a better understanding. As we can see, in this case our chart goes beyond the boundaries of both indicators. We saw these and concluded that there will be an update of the local minimum. And from the correlation, we all can conclude that after updating the local minimum, the chart always goes up along our currency indicator. Let's look at the situation that happened earlier. The chart also went out of bounds, and the local minimum was updated, after which the chart went up. And we had the same situation. The chart has gone out of the bounds and the local minimum has been updated. And another successful deal is over. All I wanted to say that everything just in your hands. All you have to do just subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, and that's all. Just write me and I'll tell you all the necessary information about trading. If you're still scary about it, if you're have no self-confidence, just write me and I'll answer all your questions. You can start change your life just from today. Thank you all for watching this video. Leave your comments if you have some questions or something like this, and I'll try to answer everyone. Good luck.